Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to an Audi Q3. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. Next, access the MMI system in your Audi Q3. Go to the telephone menu, then select Connect Mobile Phone. Choose Search for new devices. Once your phone appears, select it and confirm the pairing code displayed on both your phone and the MMI screen. This establishes a secure Bluetooth connection for calls and audio. For wired smartphone integration, first verify your phone supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Then, use a certified USB cable to connect your phone to one of the Audi Q3's USB ports. The MMI system should automatically detect the connection and prompt you to launch either CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply accept this prompt, and your phone's compatible applications will appear on the MMI display, offering seamless navigation and media control. If your Audi Q3 supports wireless smartphone integration, the process is straightforward. Begin by ensuring both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active on your phone. Then, within the Audi MMI system, navigate to the Smartphone Interface menu. Your phone should appear as an available device. Select it to establish a wireless connection, allowing you to use features like navigation and music streaming without a physical cable. If you encounter connection problems, try restarting both your phone and the Audi MMI system. Often, this simple step resolves many issues. It is also beneficial to delete any old, unused device pairings from both your phone and the MMI to prevent conflicts. Furthermore, ensure your phone's operating system and the Audi MMI software are always updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.